All right, how does this boneless couch compare to other boneless couches? I have, over the last 3.5 years, reviewed probably around 50 couches, if not more than that. And so I'm going to be comparing this couch to all the other couches. And the first thing I want to say about this couch is that it is flying off the shelves right now. It has, right now, it is selling over 850 units every single month, and it's being rated and reviewed very highly by those who buy it. So it has a total of 194 ratings with an average star rating of 4.5 stars. That's insane. I'm looking for at least 50 ratings with the 50 ratings helps me to feel, that's what I feel like is necessary in order to get an accurate read from customers. I think you could have less than 50 ratings, still get an accurate read. I just like to see at least 50 ratings. This has 194 ratings, so I know that I'm getting an accurate read. And not only that, but it's being rated at 4.5 stars. That's astronomical. To me, once you get into the 4-star range, I start to feel good about the product. But most of the products I buy are probably 4.2 to 4.3 stars. And that's where I start to feel confident, where it's like, I know this is going to be a product that I'm going to like. Everything I'm expecting from the product is going to be as I expect, and it potentially will even exceed my expectations. 4.5 stars, no doubt in my mind, is going to be an amazing product. And with a couch specifically, you want to feel confident before you buy it. Now, obviously, you can return this, but and it doesn't require installation. You take it out of the box, it folds, it opens up into a couch. You don't have to waste time installing it. So there is that aspect of it. But say hypothetically you bought a couch and you didn't like it. Well, now you have to take it back to the store. And that's a whole hassle in and of itself. A lot of people can't even fit couches into their car. But even if you can, it's like, dude, you don't want to deal with that. So you want to feel confident before you buy it. With this couch, you can feel confident before you buy it. Second thing I want to point out, the price point. That's insane. For this quality of a couch, that does not make sense. It should be way more than that. Way more than that. And then you layer in the fact that you don't even have to install it. That's just crazy. That's just crazy. Then the next point is the comfort level. Dude, this is so comfortable. The corduroy, I love the corduroy. Let me pull this up to you. So I have it in the bed lounger type vibe right now. But you can see the corduroy. Let me actually angle it. It's very comfortable corduroy, nice and soft to the touch. And then you've got the high density sponge inside. So it's super comfortable. I love it. You've also got the high density sponge and the armrest back here. Different levels of like firmness, I guess you could say. And the armrest obviously can come off. But, and then also you got these pillows. Comfortable, softer. These are softer. The softest vibe. But like to me, that's, I'd almost say like that's the most important part is like the comfort level, the level of comfort of this couch. That's insane, especially given the price, dude. It's all just crazy. Then you've got the versatility of this couch. So this is one vibe. You can turn this where these are two different sections right here. So this is like a section. These are two different sections. So this goes under here for it to be a couch. Also, you can move this section to like over here where it's facing here, then move the other section right here. And you could have, you put an armrest like on one side, armrest here. You could have like a little thing in between you here. It's just a whole vibe. You can also put these together. I'll just do that one really quick. Let's do this one really quick. You put these together, then you can come over here. You can move this. Say you want to like move this over here. And obviously you'd move these things around too. Like you got this thing right here and that thing over here. But you can have it like this. There's so many different vibes you can do with this couch that it's just like, dude, that's it right there. I mean, because say you're someone who wants to move your living room around often, you could have this be a couch for a month or 2 or 3 months or whatever. Then you can turn it into 2 different loungers. Then you could turn it into this, what I just showed you. There's like so many different ways. You could just have a sofa bed in your living room, like whatever you want to do. And also you can just change it for the night, whatever you want to do. So to me, dude, that's a vibe. And Yeah, dude. And then layer on the fact that like you don't have to install it. Like, dude, I've done so many reviews of furniture, you have to install it, and it is a hassle. And then they're not even as good as this couch is. Like, this couch is better than those. So it's crazy, and I highly recommend this.